much cut up here. See how wide this stuff is. We got 8 inches by inch, almost inch and a quarter right there. Bunch of that. About 8 feet long. Cut into, I would say 1 inch, a little over. Inch and a quarter. What we got here? Inch and a quarter. Kind of curved on the edge. We got like 16 inches wide here. See what it looks like over here. Yeah, some great character on this too. Do some really cool stuff with this. These pieces here. I got more. Looks like 2x3s over here too. Stacked in here. Here, look at this. This wood. There's some great character in this. It's like a 4x4 here. Check it out just to make sure. About 3.5. A little over 3.5 by 3 3/4. So it's about 3 3/4 by 3.5. Probably 10 feet long, it looks like. Got some more. So over here, these are all little shorts back in here. Stacks of different stuff. Looks like move some stuff out here. What's this? Looks like another. This one's 5.5 by 3.5. Only 8 feet. 8 feet long. Much more partial drops there.